Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. So in this video, guys, I'm proposing an idea. I might be stuttering a little bit because I'm thinking of organizing the idea. I'm recording impromptu. Okay, so the idea is that here we have the color filter for a telescope. Okay, the 1.25 inch color filter. Okay, and this adapter that I'm proposing is not really abundant on the internet. Okay, if you want to buy it, so you can find it for $20 from Astronomical, which is supposed to convert the screw threads of the color filter. Okay, which is M28. Okay, and here. See, I'm using the telescope eyepiece as a microscope eyepiece. Okay, here, so I can screw it like this. Okay. Now, what I'm trying to propose is make a converter like this. This is the first. Okay, let me show you. This is an adapter from C mount. Okay, so this is C to M42. Outside is M42, inside is C. C is 25 millimeters. Okay, the filter is M28, the screw. Okay, which is times 75% of a millimeter, which is M28 means 28 millimeters. Okay, so the proposed adapter is this, like this, together. Okay, and then we can have the microscope, I mean the telescope eyepiece this way, and you can use it here. And then, okay, you can remove the glass for this color filter. By the way, get these, especially these. Those are useless. Okay, those are for kids, and don't use it for the sun. Okay, it can really hurt. Okay, can take it to the hospital. By the way. Okay. So here we remove them. Okay, we have a hole, simple hole. So this way you can have it like this. Okay. Okay, this is the ring that was holding the glass. Okay, the colored glass. Okay. And this is what will happen. Okay, like this. So the reason for all this is that I have a telescope camera. I don't want to buy another camera. Okay, there's an adapter, but I just wanted to use the C mount adapter. Okay, I'm trying to make it look like an industrial microscope camera, those ones which look like a cube, a huge cube. Okay. They are mounted on C mount screw, the one that goes over here. Okay, so to be like this. Okay, to be like this. Okay, by gluing it. Okay, you made a new adapter. Okay. By gluing it to the C2M42. I'm gonna tell you what's the C2M42, the purpose of its actual use, and the real use of it. Okay. Now see the distance over here, this distance. Okay, I made it shorter as much as I can using this adapter. Okay. Now here. See here, this goes on the C screw here. Okay. Okay. This here, this hole is for the same microscope eyepieces, which are 23 millimeters, okay, in diameter, almost down. Okay, so you can watch the microscope from the, or look into the microscope. Look inside the microscope, I mean, using the top side instead of the binocular side, yeah, this side. And also, this one here, how I made it is that this is a T adapter, okay? That should go, it's supposed to go with this ring, okay? This is for the DSLR camera. According to your DSLR model, DSLR camera model, this is here like a Nikon. There's a one for a Canon. There's a, because of the type of the teeth here, okay? They're different from one camera to another. So I can put it like this. And then I can just insert the camera like an eyepiece this way. Okay. Or, okay, you can remove this, okay, remove this, use this, okay, this ring, the C to M42, okay, inside here, okay. And I'm gonna go over here. Okay, and screw it if I want, but just understand this is how it should be installed, okay, or how you can install it. So the adapter that I'm proposing is a cheap adapter that you can do it at home, okay. Now I'm gonna put the links from AliExpress for the ring, okay. And the filter, get any filter of your liking, but this one is cheap, it's useless, it's the best one to do this thing that I'm telling you about, okay? Okay, I'm gonna put maybe more links, for example, for this, okay, and the T adapter, this one, okay? And just for the ease of finding it using the search by image, so take a screenshot, okay. And yes, the color filter, where's the color filter? I think I have to put the glass because this is actually how you should find it. So this is, we inserted the glass here, this is this thing. There's a, as you can see, there's a little groove. Okay, put it on the top, from the top. Okay, put it appearing to your face. Okay, put it facing you. Okay. Okay, and that's it. So use the search by image, okay, to find it. Okay, and here I'm using an SV Bonnie 105 camera. You can find it easily. Okay, and this adapter is M42 over here. This is 1.25 inch. Okay, this is a T adapter. Okay, this is 23.2 millimeters. This is M42. Okay, and also there's another one very much similar to this, but this size here, okay, is not M42. It's the size of the filter. Okay, so here it will be the size for the microscope eyepiece is 23.2, okay, millimeters, and here it will be 28. So it will be looking like this almost. Let's see, let's say, okay, let's say just on the side, it will be looking like this. Very petite one. Okay. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like our channel. And this way I saved you like $30 maybe. Okay. Goodbye. Okay. But that's one thing I haven't told you. Why I'm doing all this before I go is that, see this distance. Okay. Here. So here. Okay. I put this together. Okay. So this way I'm allowing the camera, okay, to be inserted, so like this, okay. But how much did it fall inside the the hole here? So there's this distance which I'm losing. So the camera should be like this. It's now something like this, okay. And you have like also this distance too, okay, is here. Okay, so I this one I measured it. It's like 5 centimeters. Okay. It's more than 5 centimeters. Okay. Anyways, it's long. As you can see, it's very long. Okay. So that's why I want to do this. Okay. You can find one from Agena Astro, an already made one, or make this. Okay. The one from Agena Astro is for like $20 without shipping cost. Okay. The way I'm telling you costs like maybe $10 at most. Okay, I think so. Yes, this is for like $1. Okay, dollar or two. This one you can find it for $4 or $5. So, and free shipping. Both of them you can get it for free shipping. Okay, even if you paid for this some shipping, it can be cheaper. Okay, it is cheap anyway. I mean, okay. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our channel. Bye.